Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a Roblox vertical problem. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. So I will show you some of the steps, just follow all of them if you need. Just first of all, go to the Play Store and you have to search for Roblox. Then make sure Roblox is updated. You can see that I need an update, so you have to just update it. So I have updated it. Now you have to find for the option Roblox from your app list. Here it is. Tap and hold it and tap on the app info, or you can directly go to the settings option, phone setting, then app management, app setting. Then you can find for this application, then go to the storage and cache, and you have to clear the cache from the bottom options, or it may be at the top portion, and you have to re-log in into your Roblox. But if it still doesn't work, make sure you remember the username and password and clear the storage. And at last, if this is also not working, then you can uninstall it and install it, and there will be no problem. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.